Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this holding a spaghetti hack on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to go to the hair section first, and I'm just going to grab this hair here. I'm just going to color it later so I know where everything goes. So for the X, it's at 0.63 and the Y is at 0.26. Then the Z is at 0.17 and rotate the X at 0.19. Rotate the Y to 0.96, the Z at 0.27, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0, in which I'm assuming it would be like the meatball later. So I might color it a little bit like a bright, not that bright, maybe like this-ish color. Okay, then actually we do need some more hairs here. I'm going to get this curly hair. I don't know what it's for yet, so I'm gonna just position it in the x-axis at 0.66 and then the y at 0.20. Then the z is at 0.14. Rotate the x to 0.34, the y at 0.47, and the z is at 0.52, and we are going to scale it down to 0.04. Okay, I think that's like for the sauce, maybe. I'm just going to color it red, like this. Yes, that is for the sauce. Okay, next we are going to grab, this hat. This one. Let me just position it first. We are going to position it the x at 0.64, y at 0.22, z 0.17. Rotate the the y at 0.13, the z at 0.5. Okay, it's still the same. And we are going to scale it down to 0.04. I think it's also for this sauce, so I'm just going to color it red in foil. Okay, next we are going to grab the apple in the right arm toggle. Okay, it is in the right arm toggle. I'm just going to color it red in foil first, and then I am also going to get the sombrero hat. I'm just going to color it white for the plate, I guess. And for this one, I am going to make some adjustments again. 0.66, y at 0.12, z at 0.21. Rotate it the same and scale it all the way down to 0 for the plate. And lastly, we have one more item to do. Where is it? Wait, what am I? Oh, it's here. It's like the like necklace over here, in case you didn't see it. For this one, you are going to position the x at 0.74, the y at 0.63, and then the z at 0.09. Rotate the x to 0.61, the y at 0.45, and then the z is at 0.90, and we are going to not scale it. I don't know what it's for. I think it's like for the herbs. I'm just going to color it green in like foil as well. I think I might change this color. Is this supposed to be like the spaghetti part? Yeah. I'm just going to color it like a noodle-ish color here, like yellow. Maybe if you want it to be a little bit more peach, you can like this, maybe like a more neutral noodle color. I'm just going to add yellow to that. And that is it, your spaghetti and meatballs ready to serve. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.